Ready? Okay, I'll give you the mechanics on how we will present our couples. If we're announcing your name, you may stand up and you may just walk over there, and again you will come back here, and the husband will be here and the wife will be here, and then they will go together here in the center. We will lead you the rows. Okay? Okay. Sa Bisaya po, at mo dito, mubalik mo there. Okay, but we decided that all of you will not just walk as a common walk. Just at least be joyful, enjoy the night, and we will just present like dancing or something like a reggae. We will make it like extra kapalong couples. And please, just enjoy and have fun. Bawal dito killjoy. Because we are in the presence of the Lord, we should have fun and enjoy the night. So we may call on our first couple of the night. Our first couple of the night is their night, Mr. Randy and Mrs. Jessica okay, sample na kami. Tugin! Sample daw!
Sige, magsasample sila. Tatawagin ko from the city of Cebu.
Saglit muna. Wait, Michelle will going to distribute and all our ushers with the help of Norman and also Ate Janet and Ate Liza. They will give you these papers and you will vote there the best informal attire. So couples, once you will present yourselves there in the aisle and here at the center, you can just make a pose for a while and let them see how nice and expensive your clothes. Okay? And also for yes, expensive. Pero at least sale on 50%. And then you may choose there the kingdom couple of the night. At the same time, the best informal attire. So exemption from the rule, our special guest for tonight, we may call on, please stand up, Pastor Ed. And also our ever dearest, Ate Emily. Let's give them a round of applause. Okay, later we will announce again. Okay, exemption for the couple. So you may distribute all the sheets together with the pen so that they can write. And also the youth, the singles, you may write there. But please don't write your mom, huh? Your mom and dad. You choose the best one. Okay? Okay, sample daw kami.
Hello, magsasample daw ng gagawin ng para sa mga couples. So, kunwari po ay tatawagin po namin kayo.
Bigyan mo kami ni
Ang pinagtagpo mula Luzon hanggang Bisaya. From Cebu to Bulacan, Mr. and Mrs. Dong and Dai.
yung malakas yun. Ganun yan.
Okay, you will go ahead with your
Mamaya na. Ganito na lang siya. Yan o, ginawa ka na lalakad.
yeah, just
Sundan
enjoy
mo
the
lang.
night.
Ako sabi ka.
And the 16 pounds.
Wala na. Tapos kung mo na lang kung ano. Gusto mo
Mr.
siya.
Arnel and Lorna. Tomorrow, let's give them a round of applause. Thank you so much, couple. And our third couple for tonight, we may call on Mr. Romeo and Mrs. Arlene Lota with their beautiful child, Chen Chen. Wearing a blue-green gown from Mango, Apple Street Avenue. Super sweet. With Chen Chen, your beautiful child, Chen Chen.
Isang
Let's
Mananalo ba ang Blanco? From James and Elena. From King James and Reyna Elena. Green on green. Wearing green. Green and green. Siyempre, ang susunod naman. From the city of Pampanga, Mr. Ron and Miss Sir.
Pagdating dito, makakuwalan kayo.
Mr. and Mrs. Suma.
Saan eh?
Four, three, two, one.
At ang susunod naman po, Mr. and Mrs. De La Cruz. Tingnan niyo kung paano magsayaw si Pastor Leo.
Hindi!
Thank you very much. At ang kanilang dance, okay, para sa ating mga special guests. Si Pastor Ed and Ate